On behalf of research team of Axis Securities, I will update you on market outlook. Indian indices are expected to open lower. SGX Nifty is trading lower by 0.18%. India's October to December current account deficit currently stands at $13.5 billion. Forex reserves rise to $421.5 billion. Stocks in news. Thermax has won orders worth Rs 503 crore for cogeneration plants in Haryana and Punjab. Indian Oil and BPCL are to reportedly acquire 26% stake each in GAIL. Cadila Health has received final approval from the US FDA for omeprazole and sodium bicarbonate capsules. On macro front, macro numbers surprise positively with steady growth, lower inflation and reduced external risk. We are skeptical about extrapolating these happy occurrences due to two clear tussles which would add to market volatility. First is the Trump administration fired its first protectionist salvo upon India by lodging a complaint against India's USD $7 billion export subsidy scheme with the WTO. The impact could be India's current account deficit could worsen. The other thing is an unbending RBI could keep market yields elevated. This would imply credit conditions could tighten. We are not alone. The Bank for International Settlements believes that China, Canada and Hong Kong are at risk of banking crisis, which would imply policy action to tighten credit conditions. On technical front, in previous week, Nifty opened with an upward gap and witnessed buying momentum in initial half. However, profit booking in Friday's session erased all the earlier gains, which led index to close in negative territory. It closed at 10,195 with a loss of 32 points on weekly basis. The chart pattern suggests that if Nifty crosses and sustains about 10,350 level, then it would witness buying which would lead the index towards 10,430 to 10,480 levels. However, if index breaks below 10,140 level, then it would witness selling which would take the index towards 10,050 to 9,950 levels. Positive stocks for the day are Adani Transmission, Aegis Logistics, Balkrishna Industries, Ajanta Pharma and Dilip Bilcon. Negative bias stocks for the day are Radico Khaitan, Engineers India, NCC, Biocon and Tata Global Beverages. US China opened on flat note and witnessed extreme volatility on either side for most part of the session. However, late hour buying momentum pulled it higher to end on flat note. It closed at 65.02 with a gain of 0.01%. The chart pattern suggests that if it crosses and sustains above 65.10 level, then it would witness buying which would lead it towards 65.20 to 65.30. Important support for the day stands at 64.80 to 64.70 levels. Nifty futures closed at 10,238, decreased by 1.23%, with 3.73% increase in open interest indicates fresh short build-up. FIIs were net sellers in derivative segment to the tune of 2480 crores. Among stock futures, Canfin Home, Hindustan Zinc, Berger Pen and Canara Bank have witnessed long build-up and may show strength in coming session. Stocks which witnessed short build-up are Indigo, IDBI, Engineers India and Just Dial. That's it from our side. Thank you.